Say hi.
I did caught this one. There's a rock that's in here.
Tell them what we're doing first.
We're doing
We're at the river again, right?
Yeah.
Look into the camera and talk.
Yeah, we're at the river again.
This is Roman the gamer.
Yeah. And there's a rock bass in here that I did not catch, but I caught that giant.
Pick him up.
crawdad.
Careful of the crawdad. Oh, Daddy just caught something.
Yeah, he just caught.
What is that?
It's another rock bass, I bet.
There's a couple crawdads.
I know you've already seen me pick up a rock bass bottom.
Move your flashlight, or here, I'll shine the flashlight.
Okay.
Oh wait, that didn't help. Okay, there we go.
So here's the rock bass. Promise.
Watch out for that crawdad, it'll pinch ya. Oh, look at this guy. Oh.
That's me.
Well, let's go look at our other bucket.
Yeah, let's go look.
So how many minnows altogether here?
I can't even count because
There's so many that Roman caught. And we both caught that crawdad together.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it very well. There we go. Okay, now we're walking over here. Here's a dock over here.
Yeah, there's tons of spider webs.
Yeah.
Not like a
Dock.
And if you're upset about my room, I cleaned it today, alright? It's fine.
Yeah, he feels bad about making videos with the dirty room. Here we go, we got another bucket full of stuff over here. And Roman caught all these.
Yeah, I caught all of these, and
Whoa.
if you didn't know, that's actually a pike. It has teeth, and that's it's a record.
Personal record for you?
No, it's not personal record, but it's my second time getting a pike.
With the net, all these things.
I don't think you remember, but I made a video where I said I caught a pike. This is not the same one. It's another one, so...
There's an emo fish that we call.
Yep.
Not an emo because it's got black in it.
Yeah.
And
I bet that's a juvenile because it's gray.
maybe, and there's 2 crawdads, right?
Yep. 2 crawdads.
And a couple minnows. All right.